Okay, if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial p of x equals to 3x square minus 12x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1, find the polynomial whose zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha and 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. So, from the given just find the sum of zeros and a product of zeros. What is the given? P of x equals to 3x square plus 2x plus 1, that means sum of zeros na alpha plus beta, because alpha and beta are zeros. So, alpha plus beta equals to minus 2 by 3 and alpha beta is equals to 1 by 3, c by a, another 1 by 3. So, to find the new polynomial, for the new polynomial find the sum of zeros separately. Zeros of new polynomial is what? 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha and 1 minus beta divided by 1 plus beta. Suppose which is equals to 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha plus 1 minus beta divided by 1 plus beta. So, now take the LCM. LCM is 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta, cross multiplication 1 minus alpha into 1 plus beta plus 1 minus beta into 1 plus alpha. So, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into plus beta is plus beta, minus alpha into 1 is minus alpha, plus into minus minus alpha beta, plus 1 into plus is plus alpha minus beta minus alpha beta divided by 1 plus beta plus alpha beta. We have to multiply 1 by 1. Okay, first 1 eduthu 1 multiply pannom and then 1 eduthu beta multiply pannom and then alpha eduthu 1 multiply pannom and then alpha eduthu beta multiply pannom. Clear? Good. So, now we can cancel plus beta and minus beta, plus alpha and minus alpha. What is remaining? 2 minus 2 alpha beta divided by 1, I am just changing alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now, additional இதெல்லாம் பண்ண ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் interchange பண்ணி எழுதிக்கலாம், bracketல போட்டுக்கலாம். Good. So, now you just substitute the values, which is equals to 2 minus 2 into what is alpha beta? 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 by 3 and plus alpha beta is 1 by 3. Now, you have to simplify it. Clear? Good. Take the LCM. 2 minus 2 by 3, 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Clear? If you are taking LCM, in the numerator the LCM is 3, so that it will become 6 minus 2. In the denominator also the LCM is 3, so that you will get 3 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, cross multiplication. Here the 3 will be cancelled. So, that is equals to 6 minus 2 is what? 4. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 3 minus 2 is plus 1, plus 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Clear? So, 4 by 2. If you cancelling it, what are you getting? Equals to 2. The first sum of 0 is how much? 2. Clear? Good. Now, we have to find the product of zeros. Product of zeros is what? 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta divided by 1 plus beta. You just multiply directly, we can multiply it, right? Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus beta, minus beta. Minus alpha into 1, minus alpha, minus into minus, plus alpha beta. The denominator already we multiplied, so it will become 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. clear 1 into 1 1 1 into minus beta அடுத்தது minus alpha எடுத்துக்கணும் minus alpha எடுத்து இது ரெண்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் minus alpha plus alpha beta denominator நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண மாதிரி தான் same thing so I just written as it is clear good now here you just do the small change here I can write it as 1 minus of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta and divided by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta ஏன் இது ரெண்டுத்துலயும் மைனஸ் இருக்கா அதனால என்ன பண்றது ரெண்டுத்தையும் பொதுவா காமன் அவுட் பண்ணியாச்சு so it will become minus of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta good in the next step substitute the values 1 minus what is alpha plus beta minus 2 by 3 therefore minus of minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 the denominator 1 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 புரிஞ்சா என்ன see இப்போ டைரக்டா நாம் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண போறோம் I can see that இங்கே LCM 3 இருந்தது denominator LCM 3 இருந்தது அப்ப என்ன ஆச்சு 3 3 யும் கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லையா சோ இங்கே அதே மாதிரி கேன்சல் ஆக போகுது so 3 LCM எடுத்தா நியூமரேட்டர்ல என்ன வரும் 3 வரும் minus minus plus 2 and plus 1 denominator அதே மாதிரி LCM is 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus into minus minus 2 plus 1 so இப்போ இங்க இருக்க 3 இங்க இருக்க 3 என்ன ஆயிடும் உங்களுக்கு கேன்சல் ஆயிடும் ஓகேவா good what is 3 plus 2 plus 1 6 இங்க 2 அப்ப 6 divided by 2 cancel பண்ணா ஆயிடுச்சு உனக்கு 3 so அப்போ sum of zeros is how much 2 and product of zeros is how much 3 then how what can be the new polynomial therefore the new polynomial is equals to x square minus sum of zeros plus product of zeros இங்கே x வந்துரும் இல்லையா so x square minus sum of zeros is how much 2x minus 2x plus 3 that's it copy பண்ணிக்க